Hey, it's Friday night right now, and I finally got a night off for myself in a long time. So creativity is getting back to us. And today I want to try something new. I got this bead kit from Joanne, and I have no experience of bead making, but I just thought it would be a fun process, experience, learning experience. And my only understanding of bead making is you arrange the beads and you put the thread through it and you tie a knot, and there you go. So I don't think it's that hard to do like a basic bracelet. So we're gonna start off with that and maybe like a ring or something like that. Get innovative afterwards. Yeah. As you can tell how professional I am, we've got a binder because I don't have those design boards, and I'm just gonna start laying these beads around. Okay, so the last one turned out really well. I think I wanted to try something where this is I have no idea how the terminology of bead making works, but you know how this is like one single circle. And I just wanted to try how they do like little circles that they connected into one thing at the end. I don't know if that makes sense. I wanted to use these letter beads, and I don't think I'm gonna make any words out of them. I'm just gonna go in like random orders and pick whichever one, and then do clear slash white beads in between. Yeah, that's the general plan. Let's see how it goes. I am really happy with these bracelets, and I think I'm gonna do another ring and call it a night because it's already 1:49. Whoops. But wow. Hi! Welcome to the end of my bead making 101. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're inspired by any means, please let me know. I will be so glad. And if you just liked watching it, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to, so I can know what kind of video to put out. And yeah.